TGIF out there. Thank God it's Friday. Back with another video, guys. I hope you guys had a great week and you guys are all getting ready to enjoy your weekend. I wanted to bring you here tonight to discuss one of the things that has allowed me to earn a full-time income from home with direct mail. And not only that, I'm going to open up some more payments that I received and give a shout out to those who have joined me in this great, fantastic journey with direct mail. Please just let me know where you're tuning in from, and if you're watching this later on, hashtag replay for me. Or where are you tuning in from, guys? Here we have a payment from Emma. I'm going to open up a few of these payments, and then we're going to talk about one of the things that has helped me to earn six figures with direct mail and postcard programs. I started out with postcard programs, so postcard and direct mail. So Emma came in at the Emerald level, and I received a payment of $65, one book of stamps. Thanks so much, Emma, for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team. That's Emma from Florida, all the way from Florida. Hey, Terry. Hey, Steven. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Morris. Hey, Kanani. Thanks for tuning in. Happy Friday, guys. We have another payment here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Hey, Jeanette. Good evening, everyone. So this came in from, let's see, there's no name on it. Let's see if we have one on this. Here's the information. Hey, Annie. Okay, so this is Ralph from Alabama. Ralph came in at the Emerald level, and he joined someone else on my team. I received a $20 payment and one book of stamps. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. Here we have another one. This came in from Rodney. Rodney from Indiana. Thanks so much for joining. Let's see what we have here. Hey, Marie Jo. Annie from London. Yes. I'm glad to have you here, Annie. Let's see what we have. So Rodney, he came in at the Sapphire level. And I have a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 150. He upgraded. The Sapphire level is normally a $300 payment, but if you upgrade within 30 days, you just pay the difference, which is $150, and that's what I received from Rodney. Thanks so much. Glad to have your upgrade payment, and that means that he's going to be able to just earn higher payouts at that level, and he's going to also receive additional leads for his mailings at that level. I have another payment here from Karen. Karen here from Arizona. Let's see what we have here. Karen joined at the Emerald level. She joined someone else on my team, and I received a $20 payment and one book of stamps. Thanks so much, Karen. Glad to have you a part of the team. Then we have Richard from Connecticut. Let's see what we have here. Hey, Dana. Hey, Sonia. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, let's open this up. See what we have. This one is taped up pretty good. Alrighty. So this is from Richard. Here's the envelope here. And Richard joined someone else on my team at the Sapphire level, And I received $100 money order, 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Richard. Glad to have you a part of the team. And then we have another one here from Crystal from New Jersey. That's not too far from me. Glad to have you on the team. Crystal from New Jersey. Oh, let's see what this is. Oh, okay. So she sent it in a magazine. Some people do that, just so no one knows what's in there. And I have here, oh, look at this, From God with Love. She sent me a card. Crystal, this is so nice. Thank you. I appreciate it. How cute is that? So cute. I get cards all the time. Okay, and then this is, must be the payment here. So Crystal came in at the Emerald level, and that is a $65 payment and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Crystal. I really appreciate it, and thank you for the card. So, guys, I want to discuss, that's all I have for today, but I want to discuss one thing for Friday before I let you guys go. And that's basically one of the things that helped me to earn a consistent income with direct mail. And it's called Mastery, okay? And I'm not quite there yet, but I am working on it month after month, year after year, to master traffic. And not only that, but to also, I had to really get rid of the shiny object syndrome, okay? I'm not going to really touch on it tonight, but for those that don't know, the shiny object syndrome, a lot of people was following that. They're looking for the best next thing based off of what they have they feel is not working. There's something better. And not only that, what I notice is that a lot of people that go after that have that shiny object syndrome, they're normally looking for the easy way out. And that's honestly going to be a lot of people's downfall, because when you have your own business, whether it's direct mail, postcard, online, you have to be consistent. You have to be committed to the process. And that's one thing I did not understand back in 2015, being committed to the process. You can get into many different programs, but if you are not committed to what it's going to take in order to be successful, no matter what program it is, you're not going to have the results that you're looking for. So once I became committed to the process, and I was able to stick with one thing, one program at a time, that's why you don't see me jumping around to a lot of things. Because if you want to master something, you have to stick with it long enough in order to master it. But if you're jumping around every month to every 2 months looking for the next best thing, you'll notice that you'll be doing that for the next 1, 2, 3 years. And that's not what anybody wants. I don't want that for anybody. Because back in 2015, being in 25 programs with absolutely no results, I realized this is not the way to go. I don't want to do this. So I decided that for 90 days straight, I was going to work on one program consistently, day in and day out. And that 90 days turned into 120 days, which 6 months later turned into a full-time income. Now I'm giving this story because we're in 2020. A lot of people want to have success. They want something that's easy to duplicate. And all of that is good and dandy, but are you willing to stay consistent with one thing, even when it seems like it's not working? That's the most important part. And if you can do that, you will have success. You will see consistent payouts. $100 days turn into $300 days, turn into $1,000 days, turn into $2,000 days. It's possible, but you have to be willing to put in the work and stay consistent and stay committed. Nothing comes easy with any program. I don't care how easy it looks like. It's supposed to, listen, sales pages and stuff is supposed to grab your attention. That doesn't mean it's going to be easy. People are giving you an opportunity, but it's for you to actually work on that opportunity day in and day out until you actually see the results that you're looking for. Okay? And I'm going to just leave it at that. But that's why I created this membership site, these customized packages, offline marketing materials that people can do on any budget when you're not mailing. And you just have to be consistent. So I hope everyone enjoys their weekend. Stay inspired and stay motivated. Pick one thing, stick with it, and you'll see results. So thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. Hey, Elba. Hey, April. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Heather. Hey, Mona. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Jessica. So, guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. I'll see you guys again next week. Enjoy your weekend and have a good night.